Hey everyone! Welcome to the Market Queen, where we break down the stock market, investing, and wealth building strategies in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine graduating from college, but instead of celebrating, you're drowning in student debt. Why? Because no one taught us about money before we borrowed thousands of dollars. Today, we're talking about why financial literacy shouldn't come with student debt, and what we can do about it. Let's dive in. Did you know that 44 million Americans have student loan debt, totaling over $1.7 trillion? That's more than credit card and auto loan debt combined. But the real problem? Most students take on this debt without understanding how it works. Let's be honest, most of us were never taught about money in school. Instead, we learn calculus and Shakespeare, but not how to budget, invest, or avoid bad debt. Why? Because financial literacy isn't prioritized in education systems. And guess who benefits? Banks and loan providers. Most students don't understand interest rates, loan terms, or repayment plans. That's why so many people end up paying thousands more than they originally borrowed. It's like signing up for a credit card without knowing the interest rate, except it's a six-figure loan. Now, imagine if every high school student learned about budgeting, credit scores, and smart borrowing before taking out loans. Financial literacy can literally save people from decades of debt. Here's how. Learn before you borrow, understand interest rates and repayment plans. Avoid unnecessary debt, not all loans are worth it. Invest and earn early, side hustles, investing, and saving reduce reliance on loans. Financial literacy should be mandatory, not something you learn after you're in debt. What do you think? Should schools teach personal finance? Drop a comment below. And if you want more finance tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's take control of our money, together.